Today I am sharing you my presentations. My topic about AI. What is AI? Do you know everyone AI? Artificial intelligence. Today everyone is are using AI. Some people are using the phones, car, aeroplane, laptop. Everything are we using depend on AI. That means AI framed by two words. First, artificial, and second, intelligence. That means artificial, which in the is not the natural things. Is when listening and natural not is not natural thing. And second one, intelligence. He's a capable and understand his the main capacity and largest storage in the data. AI is in the second, in the million byte data in the store in the second. He will provide the perfect data and you are the collection, you are the solving. He is the learning and etc. First of all, AI, advantage is AI. I talk about the reducing human error. Yes, when you asking the question for AI, that AI and the provide the collect data and it's the minimize the risk of the human error and provide the more collect and the reliable the content is called the reduce the human error. And second one, 24 by 7 available. You can use the AI the 24/7 hours. You can use the every time, everywhere with easily because AI do not sleep. And third one, data identification, data analyze. That means not even AI are using other software engineer, the manufacturing industries, banking sector. AI are using and the everything and same time using are the pharma sector, banking sector, doctors, everything. Because when doctor are stuck on the issue, he does not the defined by the difficult disease, he can use the AI software. He provide well the solution and the precaution for this disease. And if I talk about disadvantage, and first one, lack of the emotion. That means lacking. This AI cannot just justify your emotion. That means that it happened the some before the some time is the Pulwama attack. That means he cannot define the was attack as the right or wrong. The India is wrong, AI, Pakistan is right. He cannot justify this because he cannot justify the emotions. It's a very big lacking point of the AI. And second one, the ethic issues. That means every moral other thing alag means that your things are different, I think are different. Right time you are thinking so different and me also different. That means you cannot judge the thinking and the particular person. And if I talk about growth users are the AI, then it was the 2020. The AI are we using are the 160 million person, and today it are using are the 378 per million person are using. That means 37 crore people are using the AI. Is conclusion. Today are the IT person are the stuck and he are the thinking the AI is entered in the market. The I how will can you the job and how will survive in the market because and really I believe it my dear friends, AI is a very beautiful software and things because he is he made by the human and this is are the supporting because when you asking the question AI, that means please provide the this thing. He's provided the data. That means he's the friends, not you are the replacement of human. Thank you. Any question?